Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna go through this ArriveCan app. I know some of you may not like it because Canada has not made it mandatory, but still you can do some custom declarations and make the process smoother for you as per what I have read. So I'm gonna go through it and see what exactly it is. So before I proceed further, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. So guys, this is the Canada ArriveCan app and I'm going to travel to Canada soon. Right now I'm out of Canada. So I'm going to click on create account. So I have terms and conditions. So I click I consent. Email address, confirm email address and continue. I'm going to do that. Now it asks me to confirm or create a password. I'm going to do that. And once I'm through, I'm going to click on create account. So what happens is, like, I got this message, all COVID-19 border measures have ended for all travelers. You can see the notice, but you can advance your CBSA declaration. This is optional, so I click on start. I click on consent. Arrival, airport, date of arrival. So I'm gonna fill it. And you can see that how many days in advance you can do now. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, not many. Then this comes. Let's complete your CBSA and click on continue. So first you can add travelers, and you have to add your travel document for this trip. If you're traveling as part of family or group, you can add multiple travelers after. Okay, so I'm gonna do. So now next is to scan the documents. You can also enter it manually, but I'm gonna scan it. So I'm gonna click on start scan now and scan my document. Next is ask for the contact number and the language. I'm gonna do that. Next, where are you arriving from? United States only, other countries direct, other countries via United States. I'm gonna do this, and if you want you can change it for each and every traveler, but for me all are traveling from the same location, so I'm gonna do this. Where do you live? I select my option. You can. Next, how long have you been away? And you can change it for other travelers. Before this question there was a question about tobacco and alcohol limit, so I answered as per my luggage. You need to do as per yourself, and then again this question comes and this you need to answer. This is about commercial goods, this also you can answer. Then you get this question, and next this I select no. This question specifically about Uganda. This is about this question, you can see. So this is the acknowledgement. Then once you're done you get a code that they should match with the machine, and you need to what do you say, acknowledge it electronically once you go there, like making sure that this is the declaration that you have submitted, and your declaration goes to CBSA as well. So I'm going to share my experience about that later once I'm through that. So thanks for watching this guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.